That dancehall shit, y'all need to retire. First it was blocks on your pussy, now your pussy's on fire. Dirty ass, no class, bitches trash. I'm on censor, so my shit don't need to be edited. I just met this Jamaican chicken, she asking me for credit. I must insect him attack when him talk about slugs. Some are 100-degree, the Yankee gal wear Uggs. Them gal a fuck for nothing, you know, for sure them love. Plus the vagina not tight like OGS gloves. Them use them child for them paycheck, them gal are no joke. Dog, what yo, you, what you do?
I sell bombs and guns, that's my hustle. Fuck with me, I fuck you up like Russell. Have you lain on the ground like you pulled a muscle?
Oh my God, Brian, just breathe. Hold it. Don't die, Brian. Don't die. Somebody call 911. Breathe, Brian. Just breathe. I can't do this. What you mean you can't? All you gotta do is breathe. That's gonna die. You breathe. I can't breathe. I can't do this. Just breathe. I can't do this. What? I can't do this. No, just breathe. I can't do it. Breathe. I can't do this. Wait. I can't do this. No. So you just not gonna breathe.
Truth is, I'm tired.
Welcome to another episode of Box TV Culture Battles Part 11. As you can see, English Brian died because he didn't want to breathe. Today we have in the house, we have Rap-A-Lot, we have War Professor, we got a BB, and we're gonna do it old school rhythm style because the fans are saying they want to hear an old school version of what's going on. So basically, we're gonna pull up an old school beat and they're gonna destroy it. First up is Rap-A-Lot.
Yo, I'm sick of y'all Caribbeans, I'm about to squeeze hard. Y'all marrying Americans to get a green card. I'm tired of y'all, I'm about to pull my fucking gun off. 3 months visa and y'all niggas run off. I was in Jamaica, I told this bitch not to approach me. She said she wasn't in Jamaica, she was in Ochi. Then she was in the video like it's something to laugh at. I wish I see her fucking face so I could slap at. I sell bitches every day, nigga, I'm a pimp, son. My rhymes is stinker than downtown Kingston. I'm disrespecting your culture, you ain't got an answer. Plus use your faggot like Marvin a dancer. What, nigga? I give a fuck about your culture, nigga. Fuck all y'all Caribbeans, nigga.
Next we have is War Professor. Go!
Rap-A-Lot. You make some little Yankee booty mode hype ya. Shot make you bleed like Keisha on her cycle. You coming like Trinidad Jamaicans like ya. Crutches mouth y'all use for them panty ya wipe ya. Him must run when him see me. Them get food stamps and sell it off on ABT. On the worthless and lazy, on the don't want work. And a pants you for wear as a blouse and skirt.
I have bombs and guns, I'm very skilled. You fuck around with your BB, you get killed. I put you to sleep like a NyQuil pill. You stupid as fuck, you want to challenge me still? I dare you to challenge Pakistan. My gun make you white if you are the blackest man.
Rastaman, we burn sausage and we burn pork and we no laugh cause we burn joke and we burn this and we burn that and we burn marga, of course we burn fat and we ride donkey, we burn car and we fly bird, plane for stay far and yo, what? Yo, what I do man a Rasta man, you know? I want to some man, I wanna do, you know what, I mash up this fire, I want some man I do. Everything I get born in a dog.
Nah. We don't know this dreadlock dude. You can't do that, son. Don't work like that, son. Anyway, don't forget to share, comment, like, and comment who won this battle, this old school battle. And don't forget to check out part 12. Box. Don't move your face. And remember, if you don't like the stuff I post, then you can go.
Fuck yourself.